Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect MQTT for smart home devices in Home Assistant, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect MQTT for smart home devices in Home Assistant, begin by ensuring that Home Assistant is installed and running on your device. Next, install the Mosquito MQTT broker, which will manage the MQTT messages. You can do this by accessing the add-on store in Home Assistant and searching for Mosquito Broker. Select the Mosquito Broker and click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Once installed, navigate to the Configuration tab of the Mosquito Broker add-on. Here, you should define a username and password to enhance security. Enable the Start on Boot option and set the watchdog if desired. Click on the Start button to activate the Mosquito Broker. Ensure that the broker is running without errors by checking the log section of the add-on. Next, configure Home Assistant to connect to the MQTT broker. Go to the Configuration section of Home Assistant and select Integrations. In the Integrations page, click on the Add Integration button. Search for MQTT and select it from the list of available options. You'll be prompted to enter the broker's details, including its IP address and the credentials you set earlier. Input the information and click Submit to save the settings. After successfully connecting, you'll see a notification confirming the integration. Now, you can start adding MQTT devices through your Home Assistant configuration. For each MQTT device, you will need to provide its unique topic for publishing and subscribing. Edit your configuration.yaml file to include the MQTT device information under the appropriate sections. Remember to follow the correct YAML indentation to avoid configuration errors. Once you've added the devices, restart Home Assistant to apply the changes. After restarting, confirm that your devices are responding and communicating through the MQTT protocol. You can check the MQTT integration page to monitor the connected devices and their status. For troubleshooting, examine the Mosquito log for any connection issues or errors. Make sure all devices are configured correctly and are within range of your MQTT broker. With everything set up, you can now automate these devices within Home Assistant using the MQTT integration. Explore different automations and scripts to enhance your smart home functionality. This completes your guide on connecting MQTT for smart home devices in Home Assistant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.